Epiphytic plants are unique species that live on other plants in the rainforest. Unlike most plants, they don't have roots that dig into the ground. Instead, they've developed a clever survival strategy. Their roots absorb water and nutrients directly from their surroundings or from the plants they grow on. These epiphytes are not parasitic. They don't harm their hosts. Their special aerial roots allow them to thrive high above the forest floor. For example, orchids grow spongy tissue in their roots to capture moisture from the air. The banyan tree, Ficus species, begins its life as an epiphyte germinating in the branches of a host tree. One remarkable type, the strangler fig, grows into a massive evergreen with a wide canopy of bright green leaves and often fascinating multi-stem trunks. Its hollow center becomes home to animals, birds, and insects. Because its fruits provide food to so many species, it is considered a keystone species. Researchers have even found that strangler figs can help stabilize their host trees during violent storms. In Florida, they are often seen growing along hammocks and mangrove swamp edges. Bromeliads are another striking group of plants. Known for their vivid red, orange, purple, or blue flowers, they can grow on the ground, on rocks, or as epiphytes high in the trees. A unique feature of bromeliads is their water-absorbing scales, which resemble tiny open umbrellas. These scales are perfect for capturing moisture quickly. Bromeliads, with their sword-shaped leaves and unusual blooms, naturally grow on tree bark in tropical rainforests. Orchids are found everywhere, from the tropics to the Arctic tundra. Unlike most plants, they don't grow in soil but attach themselves to trees and rocks to absorb moisture and nutrients. Orchid flowers are fascinating. Their male and female parts fuse into a structure called a column, and their blossoms are formed with 6 petals arranged in 2 circles. Water lilies are another marvel. Their rounded, waxy leaves float gracefully on calm waters, shading the surface to keep it cool and reducing algae growth. Their stems rise from fleshy, creeping roots buried in the mud. These floating leaves also shelter fish from predators and the heat of the sun. True lilies, in contrast, are upright plants with scaly bulbs, narrow leaves, and trumpet-like flowers. Rainforests are also filled with climbing vines, which are dense greenery and bursts of color with their blossoms. Vines climb in different ways, by clinging, twining, or using tendrils. None of them are parasitic. They simply use trees as support. Bougainvillea, for instance, can grow up to 40 feet, displaying thorny stems and small white flowers highlighted by colorful bracts. Its vibrant colors actually come from these bracts rather than the flowers themselves. Bougainvillea is also known for its traditional medicinal uses, including potential anti-fertility properties. The purple passionflower is a vine that can reach 25 feet in length. With its intricate lavender blooms, it has long been used for its calming effects. Traditionally, it's been taken to relieve anxiety, insomnia, stress, and even pain. Another eye-catching vine is the monkey brush, native to South America. Though it grows on other trees, it can also be trained as a shrub. Its 4-inch flowers shift from yellow to deep red over several days, making it one of the most striking plants in a rainforest. Heliconias, sometimes called lobster claws or parrot flowers, are famous for their brightly colored bracts, which can range from orange and red to pink and green. Their banana-like leaves and waxy inflorescences make them a favorite among rainforest plants. Bixa orellana, also called the lipstick tree, produces vivid pink flowers and bright scarlet fruit. Its seeds yield a red-orange pigment used as a natural food coloring and dye. Traditionally, it has also been used as a medicine in South and Central America, serving as an antipyretic, aphrodisiac, and insect repellent. The cacao tree, Theobroma cacao, is a small evergreen native to Central and South America. Growing up to 30 feet tall, it produces the seeds we know as cocoa, cocoa butter, and chocolate. Its flowers are small and creamy yellow, while its leaves start reddish before turning green. Durian, often called the king of fruits, is famous for its large spiky shell and powerful smell. Its creamy flesh combines sweet and savory flavors, often compared to garlic mixed with caramel and whipped cream. The carnauba palm, found in northeastern Brazil, is known as the tree of life. Its leaves yield carnauba wax, a valuable product used worldwide. Though the wax production per leaf is small, it remains an important resource. The Brazil nut tree towers over the Amazon rainforest, reaching up to 160 feet and living for centuries, sometimes over 1,000 years. Its nuts are harvested from the wild and provide not only food but also oils used in natural beauty products. The mountain soursop, native to Central America and the Caribbean, is an evergreen tree with glossy leaves and sour-tasting fruit. It thrives in dry conditions and is valued for its resilience. Bananas, from the genus Musa, are among the most familiar tropical plants. With their large paddle-shaped leaves and clusters of fruits known as hands, they are actually giant herbs, not trees. Each hand